Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back mga friendships, and in today's video we are going to do another skincare product. I know it's been a back-to-back skincare products. I just wanted to get this uploaded as as soon as possible because this is already a long overdue video, guys. I tested this out like last year, the same with the Some by Me, so I really need to get this video up on my channel. It's because I feel like in this type of video of mine, I just wanted to help others, especially those that have been having the same issues with me on my skin, like you're having a problematic skin, acne prone skin, irritated skin. So in this platform of mine, I just wanted to reach as many people, to help as many people as I can. So that is the goal of my channel. So I guess in today's video, I will be talking more or less in English, just a disclaimer, but I think on my clip, I also talk in Tagalog a little, so maybe most of the time on this one I'll be talking English so that I could reach more audience on this type of video, because that is my goal, is to reach more audience, especially on this type of video where I could at least help those people that is having problems with their skin. So I just hope you all understand that. Let's just make that all clear, that there is no way that I'm bragging that I'm speaking English. I just wanted to reach a lot of people, not just Filipino or Tagalog speaking people. So I do hope that you do all understand. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So that being said, then let's get started. Oh, by the way, guys, before I really get started, I just wanted to do a quick disclaimer. As always, what worked for me may not work for you. What worked for you may not work for me. So it's a vice versa thing. So I just wanted to make a disclaimer on that before anything else. So then again, you may be asking yourself, why this girl is trying another AHA BHA product? Isn't she satisfied with what her experience with Some by Me?
She really liked that one, blah, 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 blah.
So yeah, to answer those questions, guys, I decided to try another brand of AHA BHA product. It's because I just wanted to see if this particular brand really works, because COSRX are really popular. Even before, I already heard about COSRX before, but I didn't have the chance to get my hands on it. It's because they don't have the toner there in Cebu. You need to order it online, so it is kind of hassle. So I did not try, although I really been wanting to try it, but it's just a hassle to get it. So do you understand what I mean? So to really test this one out from COSRX, I decided to stop using the Some by Me products that I've been using. So I think I stopped using the Some by Me like 1 or 2 weeks, and I also been using at that time different moisturizer, different toner that is not so friendly to my skin. So right away I noticed that my skin has been acting up again since not using this Some by Me product. So that is the perfect canvas to test the COSRX skincare line. So by the way, the one that I've been talking about is this three from COSRX. The first one is the AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner, this one, and then I also used this together with this BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I did a video, I think I show this on a vlog, yeah, when I got this one. And also this one from their Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream, Snail Mucin Cream. So these are the three that we will be testing out. And also the reason why I wanted to try these products from COSRX, it's because I wanted something to lighten my pimple scars here on my jawline, because at that time I feel like the Some By Me is not that strong enough. I wanted a BHA, a sole BHA only product, no HA. I just wanted a BHA, so that's why I decided to try this one. This is the one that triggered me to buy the three products from COSRX. This is the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. So yeah, this one. So I think that's enough me talking. I don't want anybody to complain again that I talk a lot. So now it's time to put the COSRX to the test. So I'm gonna show you clips of me before and after, yeah, clips. So here it is. Hey friends, so this is an update after 11 days of using the COSRX AHA BHA Toner and COSRX Snail Musion 92. On my scarring, pimple scar here, there are still there but looking a little faded, I guess. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. But on the chin area, looking a little better, but not that good still. It's been 11 days, so I'm hopeful. So this is after the 11 days. So hey friends, let's do a 3-week update on the COSRX, and I really noticed that my skin looks hydrated and plump while using the Snail Mucin, because I find that when I use the BHA liquid blackhead treatment, it makes your skin a little dry, but not that dry as I expected na yung sinasabi ng iba. But I'm gonna show you a more close up on our skin. So on this side, the scarring has faded a little, but not that much as I expected. I expected this to be like really fading, but these are all reds. Usually my hyperpigmentation after pimples looks really red. And also I just wanted to add that I also use the Bello tranexamic acid and kojic acid soap to help speed up the lightening of my scarring. But overall, skin looks really plump and healthy, and yeah, just some redness here and there, and on this area looks really beautiful, guys. I don't have any from there, but my skin looks pretty healthy. But I also have, I think it's almost the time of the month, that's why meron ding lumalabas na ganito yung small bumps and here as well, but I don't have that incident anymore here on the chin area, like big incidents. But one thing really significant that I've noticed while using this one, comparing to the Some By Me, is that I have still, after 3 weeks of using, still have, you know, small bumps. I don't know, maybe these are acnes that are underneath my skin that needs to go out. So yeah, I still have pretty small, if you can touch my skin, I could feel small bumps here on this area and on this area as well, and some here on this side. Before I don't have like small bumps here, but now I could really feel that. Or maybe it's because of the Snail Mucin, because it's really rich if I'm going to compare that with the Some By Me face cream. So yeah, that's the only significant thing that really is very noticeable while using this one. But yung my big spots, like here, I have a big spot here and here and here, but it has fade or dried up quickly while using that one, so that's a plus. So this is our 3-week update while using that one. Hi friends, good morning. So I will be doing a 4th week, I guess 4th week update or 5th week. Basta i-check ko kung 4th or 5th week na ba to, while using the COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner and COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. So this week, during the last 2 weeks, I guess, hindi ko na ginamit yung yung COSRX na ito, yung Snail Mucin, kasi I wanted to test out if ano ba yung difference niya, if there will be a difference if I'm gonna pair them with this one, kasi I really like this one from Some By Me. It's such an amazing moisturizer, so I'm pretty much excited to share this to all of you. And also I've used a new cleanser this time, this one from Senka. It's their Perfect White Clay facial cleanser. This is so amazing, guys, as in super amazing. I saw this on like YouTube ads, I guess, yung cute na animation na advertisement nito, and I was drawn to it kasi the advertisement is so cute, kaya then I decided to try this one. And this is such an amazing facial wash as well. I really enjoy this one. This made my skin looks brighter also. So yun nga, I'm gonna show you now how my face looks like after the 4th week or 5th week. So as you can see, oh my god, pretty amazing. I don't know if you could still remember my spots here, but there are significantly fading, diba? Yung pimple scars ko from my previous breakout, yung ginamit ko yung mga Churvanes na mga skincare. So, and overall, my skin looks so healthy and plump. Oh my god, amazing. Texture wise, amazing. Although I have some friends over here, but timing lang, because it's the time of the month, just the time of the month just ended, and then meron, and also I guess irritation from the mask that I'm wearing, because I was wearing the other mask, and then usually when I wear that mask, ito yung nangyayari. Tapos meron din dito kasi kinamot ko yung aking face. Usually this happens if I scratch my face with that mask and with the dirty something dito din, kinamot ko din. So eto yung nangyari kasi ginamit ko yung parang cloth ng uniform ko sa work namin. So this usually happens. So but overall, oh my gosh guys, can you see how hydrated and clear my skin looks like? Pretty amazing, diba? Pretty amazing. And I still have, like, after the 4th week with the AHA, I still have this amount pa left. And with the Blackhead Power Liquid, marami pa sila, marami pa siya pala. So yeah, I really enjoyed, or I am pretty much impressed with how my skin is looking like. O diba? Oh, so pretty. Hey friends, so today I'm gonna do a final week update of the COSRX products that I've been using. So I don't know if you could still remember the condition of my skin, the way how my skin looks. Let's take a look at here first. So I don't know if you could still remember my spots here, but they are pretty much gone. I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, it's been like more than a month, I guess, of using the products, but I'm pretty impressed. But what I am impressed more is the texture of my skin. I don't know if you've noticed. I'm gonna insert a clip, or yeah, side-by-side comparison from the before on this side, because this side was the worst. I have a lot of friends over here before, and let's go on the right side. The right side looks really beautiful, guys. So right now I sleep on this side, on the right side, so I have I noticed that I
started to have some spots here because now I sleep on the right side of my face, so I think that's the culprit of my spots around my hairline, is where I sleep. So on my upper lip, these are pretty much spots. They are not active breakouts, but once in a while I notice some white heads, especially on the mouth area.
So now we're back after 50 days or more. So I think I roughly used this almost a month. That time I really forgot already, guys, because it's been like yeah, quite a while since I last used this one. So I think almost 2 months roughly. So during uh, one thing that I noticed during the after the 11 days of using, during that time duration, I noticed that I did not see any purging on my skin. That was so odd because usually if I started to use a new skincare stuff on my face, or my skin starts to purge during the 1 or 2 weeks time, but on this one it did not happen. What, I don't know what is the reason. It's maybe because my skin is used to using AHA or BHA, I don't know, but yeah, no purging at all. And then during that time period also, I did not notice any significant or dramatic changes on my scarring here on my jawline, but that is too early to tell. So I did not expect it that much during the 11 days of using the COSRX to remove, to dramatically lighten my scar. And on the third week, sorry if I'm reading something because I don't want to forget anything. So on the third week, I started to incorporate the bello, kojic, and tranexamic acid soap just for the scarring portion, because I really wanted to fade out that scar, because I feel like my acne has been, it's, there's no more bump, but the scar is still left there. I have a pretty fair skin, so the dark spots are really very obvious if they still do exist here on my face. So that is my main concern really. That's why I started to use the COSRX. So on that time, I started to incorporate bello, kojic acid, tranexamic soap. And then what I've noticed while using that together with the bello and with the COSRX is that I did not see any clashing of the product. What I mean by that is that its kojic acid, it is already kind of irritating to the skin, but I didn't find it to be more irritating on my skin. That is so surprising. So I did not see any clashing on the bello, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, and the COSRX. So that's a good thing. And also, I guess on the third or fourth week, I decided to stop using the Musin Snail cream. It's because I find that my skin is, although it's feeling hydrated, but I find that it's too rich or moisturizing to my skin. It beats the purpose of the AHA and BHA toner and the power liquid. So although the toner and the power liquid really helped with my congested skin, but at the same time the Musin cream, the snail cream, so moisturizing that it also made my skin a little congested. So I decided to stop using that one after the third or fourth week, I guess, around that time. And also during that time, I also tried a new facial foam, which I saw from YouTube. It is so intriguing. That's why I decided to try that also. And luckily, it did not clash with I end up loving that facial foam, so highly recommend that one too. That's an extra. And then overall, I guess let's talk about the overall result of the COSRX products on my skin. So after using it for almost 2 months, I guess, if you saw on my last clip that my scars has dramatically faded. Maybe it's because I am also using alternatively the I do not use the bello every day because I feel like it is just too strong for my skin. So alternating I think I use the bello at night and the senka facial foam in the morning. So I guess that also helps speed up the scarring, but I'm so impressed, I'm so happy on that part that my scarring here on my jawline has really dramatically improved after using the COSRX all in all with the Bello. Oh my god, I just cannot believe that the scarring has faded so dramatically after using that for almost 2 months. Then I also noticed that whenever I get new pimples, it dries quickly. If I'm going to compare it, if not using the COSRX ones, my pimples really stays for a very long time on my face. But while using this one, I noticed that my pimples have dried super fast. Like maybe the next day, it's like starting to dry up and clear out. Like bum bum bum. And also, let's talk about the texture of my skin. Oh my gosh, guys, one thing that I am so like really impressed on also with the COSRX, that the texture of my skin has also improved so much. It made my pores, especially I guess this one, the BHA, this has really made my pores a little or less visible, because lately I find that my skin, especially here in the cheek area, it is more visible. But while using especially this one, it really made a dramatic difference on my pores. It's not that, you know, right on your face pores. Yeah. And I'm so happy with it. So now the question here is if I will recommend the COSRX products. Yes, definitely I highly recommend, especially this one, the AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner and the BHA Power Liquid. I really love these two combined together. It's such a perfect combination for your acne prone, easily congested skin, irritated skin. It's strong, but it's not that strong enough. This one, the toner one, it feels like water. It doesn't smell anything or whatnot. By the way, guys, it is a spray type container. Yeah, like that. I don't know if you can see that. This is, I feel like this is not very economical in terms, because every time I spray, I tend to spray a lot of product. I think that's the only downside, I guess, that I find on the product. It's just their packaging that it is on spray. Maybe you could also use this like using the spray, but I follow the instruction here, because there is an instruction here at the back that to use this with a cotton pad. So yeah, that's how you use this, and yeah, that's how you use it. So I don't know why they used a spray type bottle on this one. I don't know. Comment below if you have any idea why they use a spray type container on this one. But on the Power Liquid one, it's very easy to use. It's a pump container or packaging. And for the Snail Mucin one, I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I still pretty have a lot left. As you can see, it still have a lot left. But on the toner, I already finished 2 of this. I have 1 extra, and on this one, I already finished 2 of this. So that's how much I love these from COSRX. So I know there's still one necessary question left on your mind. Don't worry, I got you covered there. So I think you may be asking if I'm going to compare this with the Some by Me AHA BHA, if which one would I prefer using. So the the answer to that question is, if I'm going to compare the two, if which one do I prefer using, I prefer more the Some by Me. Yes, it's because it's strong enough for my breakouts here on my mouth area. If the COSRX ones work, but it doesn't work as good or as better compared to the Some by Me. So here you go, that's the answer. So I rather use I prefer more the Some by Me HA BHA toner and cream. Yeah, I know this has been a long video and I hope you have stayed with me until the end. So if you have any questions or suggestions regarding COSRX products that I mentioned in this video, just feel free to leave it in the comments section down below. Share your experiences if you have any. And yeah, I hope this video has helped you all, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!